event to go this morning. It's kind of like a kiddie, I wouldn't say birthday party, it's more like a baptism kind of thing, so in the church. So I'm just gonna quickly get ready and we're gonna get ready together today. So I just had my shower. You just have to avoid my hair for today because I'm in rush and I'm just gonna try to get everything done within 15 minutes. So the next thing we are going with is foundation. And right now, as you all know, I'm utterly obsessed over my Wonder Beauty foundation. This is the one foundation I can totally trust on, and I know if I will apply this, I'll be happy. It's gonna look nice, my face gonna look nice, it's gonna be good, it's gonna hold, it's not gonna make me oversweat because it is hot, and by the time I leave, I'm sure I'm gonna need like a 5-minute breather because you know how it's with kids. Even though I got Sahiba ready first, my husband Chan is just getting ready now and he's just keeping an eye on Sahi too, so I can quickly get ready. It doesn't matter how much I try to organize myself and just like, okay, we need to be done by this time, we need to be done. I am always in rush. I'm the last one getting ready and I'm always in rush. So I don't know how this happens, even though I'm the first one to wake up, because I have to get everyone else ready first, and I'm always like, oh, okay, I'm just gonna go. So as usual, I'm going with my stamping motions for my foundation because I want my foundation to look super dewy and ooh, super glowy. I want my face to look like airbrushed. So hence the reason I'm going with that stuff. All the products I'm going to use for this quick one is the one I know works for my skin and I don't have to fuff around for too long blending and all that stuff. It's going to work for me because when you are in a rush, you don't want to try something new. You just want to stick with you're already using or you have used in the past. So I have some of the hard candy concealer left on my hand, so I'm just going to use that as my eye base. It's a very good eye base because this concealer is super light, guys, super light, like extra light. So if you're putting like a lighter color as an eyeshadow, it really makes your eyeshadow stand out. So even though you don't have to put too much product, but it will still make your eyes looks really nice and it will show even the lightest possible shade you can find. So, and today, as I said, my outfit is kind of like pinky, peachy, creamishy. I'm gonna go for very soft pink eye, like literally, like I'm just gonna apply only one shade of pink, I guess. Most likely my blush all over. Guys, so we're just gonna start going. The church is West Hill Baptist Church. So this is my first time vlogging, guys, so if there is anything, I don't know, I'm just flinging it, I'm just doing what I think is right. So I just got ready. As I told you while I was getting ready, I'm gonna go with very soft glam. My outfit is all from Forever 21. I'll take some full outfit pictures, and the heels are from some local designer in London. I had to read the name. I don't know which one is it. That's my hubby.
Hello guys.
Saiva's at the back. You can't really see her right now. Oh yeah, there she is.
Animals and hats and swords and wonderful things for the children that way. And
We've got the street hockey equipment outside as well too. So lots of fun things to do, but yeah, we'd love for you to stay, fellowship, greet some.
Well, just like twisting the light bulb is really what you have to kind of do with your hands. And I have a picture of Pastor Elizabeth actually doing that. And so I'm selling it for anybody who would like to have that in collection. That was an exciting day. A day in which a little girl arrived into this world was a very exciting day. And here you are again, having the opportunity to stand before this faith community and to be able to give thanks to God for entrusting you with a young life and realizing the responsibility that you have as parents. You know, Jesus welcomed children, and he himself went to the temple to the act of faith by his parents of bringing him and being presented. And over in Scripture, we're encouraged that the responsibility of being able to lead our children in the ways of God fall on us as parents. And the Old Testament admonition that Moses gave, Deuteronomy, says, "Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. Love the Lord your God with all of your heart and with all of your soul and with all of your strength." And he's pointing to you as parents. "These commandments that I give you today be upon your hearts."
Okay guys, so today's vlogging is a bit short because we just came back from the event. Ooh, that's me. So we came back from the event. So this was the final look I wore. I wore this really beautiful valia. They are from local jewelers. I'll link them somewhere down below. And I just absolutely love the way my makeup turned out today. It's so soft glam. It's looking super duper good. I am going to show you how good it's looking in natural light too, but it's so beautiful. Right now I have my studio light on because I was just finishing up this vlog, but if I just turned it off like this is like in natural light, I just opened my window like blinds and you can see this is my like light, so they are on the other side now, so you cannot really see like all the look you're looking now is on actual look. So and today is my first time when I didn't do any bronzer or contour, but I'm loving. And I promise my whole outfit I'm gonna try to fit it in. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but my whole outfit is from Forever 21. So if I just turn this way maybe so you can see, it's a really nice peachy pinky top with some pinky trousers. It's kind of like a linen, so it's super duper like summer appropriate. It's really nice summery colors and it's very lightweight, which I loved it. And as I said, the jewelry is from local jewelers. And also this particular balia, I just paired it with this really beautiful ring, and if you can see it or not, I'm just gonna go a little up close. Oh yeah, there it is. So there we go. It's beautiful and it went so nicely with this balia. It's amazing. So this was the whole look. I will post all the details and everything of this look on Instagram anyway. But overall, today's vlog is short, but as I said, it's my first time attempting a vlog anyway, so I just wanted to give you kind of like a teaser, and then you guys can give me some ideas how I should do it the next one. I have some ideas in my mind, but I don't know yet, but I'll do it. Oh yes, and I only applied the nails on one side, not on the other side. It's so funny because when I was supposed to start to apply the nails on the other side, so I woke up and I was like, I don't have enough time, and I was rushing so much. I was just like, okay, I need to get out of the house like right now. I do not have time. So I was hiding this head all morning. I am so happy with this makeup. I just don't want to take it off. It's just so good. So good. Now everybody's sleeping, Saiba is sleeping, Jan is sleeping, everybody's sleeping, and I haven't even had anything to eat yet. So I'm just gonna go downstairs, eat, and then I'm gonna post some pictures and everything. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Please be gentle. If there is any issues, if there's any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. And I'm thinking about doing more and more vlogs, so you get to know me, my family, my dog, everybody. So Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love from Evelyn and the whole Randhawa family. And I love you a lot. Thank you so much for your continued support. And I shall see you guys very soon. Love you. Bye.